Malaysia's government will issue a diplomatic protest against an intrusion by 16 Chinese military aircraft into its airspace. The foreign minister has made the statement. The foreign minister, Hishamuddin Hussein, said late Tuesday that he will summon the Chinese ambassador to explain this breach of the Malaysian airspace and sovereignty. This is coming in from the Malaysian government, and action that they are taking, that they are set to issue a diplomatic protest against the intrusion by 16 Chinese military aircraft into its airspace. I beg your pardon. Sanika is getting more details. Sanika, what more have you been able to pick up on this?
Sesha, this is a news report by our agency APTN, and what details we can get for our viewers is that Malaysia government is all set to summon Chinese envoy over alleged airspace violation. As per the statement by Foreign Minister of Malaysia, Hishamuddin Hussein, which was released yesterday, he said that they will summon the Chinese ambassador to explain this breach of the Malaysian airspace and sovereignty. Now, Malaysia's charge is it's not one or two, but 16 Chinese aircrafts that have intruded the airspace in Malaysia. To substantiate their claims, Malaysia has also released pictures, and we're playing out those pictures here as well. If we could zoom into the camera. These are the pictures, still pictures released by Malaysia as evidence of a Chinese intrusion, where you can see this is the Chinese aircraft, Chinese jet that is believed to have intruded into the Malaysian airspace. Now, as per the Malaysian government, it was Ilyushin Tu-76 and Xi'an Y-20 strategic transporters that were flying at the altitude of 23,000 to 27,000 feet. And these are typically used by commercial flights. Now, Malaysia is calling this incident a serious threat to national sovereignty and flight safety. Now, very important to note and very significant, because just a year back we also had a similar sort of aggression at the LAC, the Galwan clash. We're just going to mark 1 year of the Galwan clash in a few days from now, and now Malaysia too is accusing China of aggression. Now, in fact, there is no reaction yet from the Chinese authorities. Beijing is yet to respond to it, but these are 16 fighter jets, 16 jets is the accusation by the Malaysian government that have intruded into the airspace. Now, what Malaysia has said is that Chinese plane moved nearly 60 nautical miles off the coast of Sarawak on Borneo Island. Now, Malaysia's Air Force said its radar picked up the Chinese aircraft on Monday near Malaysian-administered Lusonia Shoals, a rich fishing ground in the disputed South China Sea. Now, this comes in the disputed South China Sea. Just to give our viewers a background of the dispute in the South China Sea. Now, China claims almost the entire South China Sea on historic grounds. Brunei, Malaysia, Philippines, Taiwan, Vietnam have also have overlapping claims in the South China Sea. So this is a disputed area, and taking the fight further, taking the matter being escalated further, Malaysia is now accusing China of intruding into the Malaysian airspace. Not just 1 or 2 jets, but 16 aircraft of the Chinese army intruding into the Malaysian airspace.
Alright, Sanika, many thanks for those details. And quickly recapping for our viewers, Malaysian government issuing a diplomatic protest against an intrusion by 16 Chinese military aircraft into its airspace, like Sanika explained. This is the statement that is coming from the foreign minister, and how Sanika also told us there has been no reaction from the Chinese side yet. Meanwhile, we move on to other news.